My name is K. Nagireddy, Assistant Professor. My qualifications MBA, MCom, MPhil, PhD pursuing. I have 26 years experience in teaching field. I deal decision thinking to second year BTech students. This subject is newly introduced in BTech students. Main purpose this subject create, improve the ideas, thinking the innovation or new or adjustment or development or changes in future. Situationally adjusted the or product or works or activities. That is of the up to date. New development, you not changes, no creation of new ideas, new things, new decisions. That is some problems in the business or your future also. Any person, you up to date, you changes of your activities, you develop the innovation, new ideas, new things, new models. How do you create the new ideas? How to changes of situationally? All are you studied the in this subject. That is of the your future, your life up to date. So many changes. Our public or outsiders for based the technology effect or environmental effect, social or economical effects, different effects also, some problems. That problems you faced, you also change your attitudes, your works, your ideas, your things. You changes to based the situationally. In this use of the knowledge in future, that purpose you introduce the decision thinking, one of the new subject. Decision thinking means thinking per decision. Decision also planning or process of production or specifications of product. What specification of our product? You think different ideas that based the you manufacturer. That purpose introduce the in this subject. That subject syllabus briefly explain in this class. In this subject, have 5 units. One by one, briefly explain now. Name of the subject, decision thinking. Unit 1, Introduction to Decision. In this topic, what is decision, process of decision, types of decisions, all are studied in this topic. Next one is characteristics of successful product development. Characteristics or features. You success of the or product development in this topic known. Product development means any improvement of our product, the existence of our product, extension of existing products to extended or additional features, modifications, that all are in this discuss the some characteristics of success of product development known. Next one is product development. What is product development? Process of product development in this topic known. Identification of opportunities. What is opportunity? Opportunity means favorable or positive accepts inside and outside. This is also development of the use in future, or persons also, companies also, institutions, businesses, you more opportunities that possible development, that all are identified in this different sources, that all are you know in this topic. Product planning. Planning means before prepare, course of action, what to do, where to do, why to do, how to do. You self questions before starting the activity. Product planning for product. Planning for product. How to do produce, where to do produce, when to do produce, why to do produce. These all are you self questions. Prepare a before starting the production. It is called a product planning. That processes all are studied in topic. Innovation in product development. Innovation means new. Our product development, our product development expansion or change or modify. Any that consider the innovation, new features, new model, new color, all are new. It is called a innovation in product development. These all are you know the first unit. First one is introduction to design. Characteristics of successful product development. Product development process. Identification of opportunities. Product planning. Innovation in product development. This first unit is over. Second unit. In this unit, you know the as following. Decision thinking. In this first topic, what is decision thinking? Decision thinking process. Decision thinking means thinking for decision. Decision also a plan or process of or product, configuration of or product. In this studied the decision thinking. Principles of decision thinking. In this topic, you know the some principles. You know the process of decision thinking. Decision thinking is the you not one different stages that all are you know the in this topic. Different stages of you thinking the decision, not once, so many steps that all are studied the in this topic. Innovation in decision thinking. What is innovation? Innovation means new. In the decision thinking, our decision thinking also you changes new. Any idea, any decision, some attractive, some variation, some new features, all are new. Every idea also new ideas. You studied benefits of decision thinking. What is benefits decision thinking? Importance or advantages decision thinking. You know this topic. Decision thinking and innovation case study. You prepare a case study to decision thinking and innovation. This unit is over. Second unit, as known, decision thinking, principles decision thinking, the process of decision thinking, innovation in decision thinking, benefits of decision thinking, decision thinking and innovation case study. Second unit is over. Next, third unit. In this unit, as following topics we know. Idea generation. What is idea generation? Generation means creation. create, formation for ideas. It is called a idea generation. Idea generation means formation of ideas, creation of ideas. So many ideas that allow to create, how to generate. You studied the in this unit, in this topic. Techniques of idea generation. In this topic also different techniques. Creation of ideas, formation of ideas, generation of ideas. That all are technique you known in this topic. Next one is methods of idea generation. Some methods also, important methods. You generations in this topic we known. Brainstorming method. This is one of the idea generation method. What is brainstorming method? Different types of brainstorming methods. In this studied in this topic. Gallery method. It is also one type of idea generation method. In this method contributed by gallery. You know in this topic. Delphi method. It is also one type of the idea generation method. In this method contributed by Delphi. In this topic you explain, you know the Delphi method. Synoptic. This is also another method of idea generation. This is what is synoptic idea generation method. You know in this method. These all are third unit is topics. First one is idea generation. Techniques of idea generation. Methods of idea generation. Brainstorming method. Gallery method. Delphi method. Synoptic method. This unit is over. Next fourth unit. In this unit also as following topics we known. Design thinking in information technology. In this known in this topic information technology softwares. Use of the design thinking. Role of the design thinking in information technology. We know in this topic. Design thinking in businesses. In this known what is used decision thinking in the different businesses in this concept, in this topic known. Decision thinking for software development. How to use the software development. Decision thinking in this known the in this topic. Virtual collaboration, multi-users, multi-account interaction in this decision thinking, accounting or collaborations, different multi-purpose. How to use the decision thinking in this unit, you know. Need for communication or communication, how to utilize the decision thinking, requirement in communication, decision thinking, you know. These all are fourth unit. Over. Decision thinking in information technology, decision thinking in businesses, decision thinking for software development, visual collaboration, multi-user and multi-account interaction, need for communication. These all are well known in this unit. Next unit is fifth. In this unit, our following topics we known. First one is decision thinking for services. How to utilize the services. Services also public services or transportation, railways, electricity, etc. Use of the decision thinking. How to design a service. How to prepare the decisions in the services. You know the in this topic. Principles of service design. What is principles or guidelines? You prepare a service design. You know the in this topic. Benefits of service design. What is advantages of the design thinking in services field? You know the in this topic. Advantages, benefits, profits. Use of the design thinking in services. Service blueprint. This is one of the drawing, map, planning in services. You know the service blueprint. Design strategy and organizations. Organizations are plannings. How to use of the design thinking. You know the in this topic. Principles for information design. Principles or guidelines for information designs. This known the in this topic. Principles of technology for service design. Technology field. few principles for the services you know the in this topic. These all are you know the fifth unit. First one is design thinking for service, how to design a service, principles of service design, benefits of service design, service blueprint, design strategy and organization, principles for information design, principles of technology for service design. Today is discuss. We know the introduction of design thinking subject and syllabus briefly explain. We know. Thank you. Next class will we start the first unit.